Hi guys, I'm back with a new full face of drugstore makeup. These are all brand new products, so it's going to be a full face of first impressions. Today's my wedding anniversary, so I wanted to apply some makeup on before we go out. So I figured why not film it? But before we get into that, if you're new here on my channel, welcome. My name is Maria Luisa, and here on my channel we like to play with makeup and test out new makeup, drugstore and high-end. So if that's something that you're interested in, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified when I upload my next video. And now that we have that out of the way, let's get into trying out these products. All right, now that we're zoomed in, let's get my hair out of the way. So to start off with, we're going to start off with this Magic Perfecting Base, and it is by L'Oreal. And it retails for $12.95, and you get 0.5 fluid ounces for this. That's how much is in this little jar. And according to the website, it has 4.2 stars, so not too bad. It claims that it smooths lines, hides pores, and banishes imperfections. So we'll see. Hopefully it's true. It's for all skin types, which is really nice because it does have a matte finish, so that always worries me because I have dry skin and I don't like anything to stick to my dry spot. And it's also non-comedogenic, which means that it won't clog your pores. So let's try it out. I'm going to use my finger to apply it. So it feels like that Tarte primer that fills your pores. It's pretty thick. It's got a nice silky silicone feel to it. What I don't like is that the way the pot is, it's so little to get your finger in there, so you'll have to use either your nail to take it out or grab a little spatula, which it does not come with. I'm going to start off with the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Serum Foundation. And this foundation comes in 30 shades. It retails for $15.99, and you get 1 fluid ounce. On their website, it has 4.5 stars. It does have SPF 50, which is nice because I've already applied my SPF, so a little extra. I will not complain about a little extra. It's got vitamin B3. It evens out your skin tone, and it provides a natural radiant look. It doesn't settle into fine lines, and it's good for sensitive skin, which is me because I have sensitive skin, so I like that too. Per the ingredients, it also has niacinamide and sodium hyaluronate. And the sodium hyaluronate is basically a derivative of hyaluronic acid, which is really good. It holds the moisture in your skin. It was pretty low on the ingredients list, so there's not too much in it, but you know, the fact that they added to it and it's a drugstore product is really good. All right, so I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand. I have the color 25 in cream beige, and so I'm just going to apply that with a beauty brush. It does smell like sunscreen, which I kind of don't like that because it reminds me of being on the, almost like it's sunscreen to put on before you go to the beach. But it's summer, so we need some good coverage. And you want to stay till the end of the video because I am going to show an update of how my makeup looks throughout the day. See if all these products work and make my face look good all day long. It's definitely not a full coverage because I still see a little bit of my hyperpigmentation coming through, but my face does look nice and hydrated. So I'm a little nervous about this, about the concealer that I'm going to use. It's the Revlon Color Stay, because it has really bad reviews on their website, and so I don't know, I figured I'd give it a try, but they do say that you have to blend it in right away because it dries. It's the Revlon Color Stay Full Coverage Concealer. I was kind of bummed that it has bad reviews because it is $10.99 for 0.21 fluid ounces, so it's not that cheap of a concealer. It comes in 18 shades, and I have the shade 15, which is light pale. Apparently the technology keeps color looking crisp and covers dark circles and pimples for up to 24 hours. I'm going to start off with the eyes. So I'm going to put a little bit here and a little bit here before I go on to the rest. I am going to blend this in. So far it doesn't look bad. I'm going to try to get in a little bit close here so you guys can see. Hopefully the camera doesn't make it too blurry, but It applied nicely, but I did apply a very thin layer. So this is the other eye. It does brighten under the eye really nicely. I really like the way it looks, actually. Alright, so I'm going to go into some powder. And for powder, I have the CoverGirl Simply Ageless Instant Wrinkle Blurring Pressed Powder. That's a whole mouthful. And this one has 4.8 stars on the website, so that's a good sign. For $12.99, you get 11 grams of product. According to the website, it diminishes the look of fine lines and wrinkles. Apparently, it's a very creamy formula, even though it's powder. And it mattifies your skin to make pores less visible. What I liked also is that it contains hyaluronic acid. Again, some more moisture. And vitamin C. I don't know about vitamin C because vitamin C is really kind of unstable, but I don't know. It might work. It might help. And it comes in 8 shades. I have the color 210 in Classic Ivory. And of course, it's cruelty free. So let's try this out. Comes with a little powder puff in there. So, well, we'll try that. See if that works. Because if you're on the run, don't have all these tools to go with you. So it definitely doesn't make my face look cakey that I can see. It actually looks really nice, but I also didn't apply a ton of it. I don't see that it makes anything look cakey. It's like a very light powder, but like I said, I went in with a light hand. Then we're going to go into the bronzer. And the bronzer is from Found. I don't know if you've heard that brand. It's called Found and it's in Walmart. Well, that's the only place that I've seen this brand at, and this is what it looks like. And this one retails for $7.99 and you get 7.5 grams of product. It says that it's universally flattering, and you've got like I said, that little swirl, and it's apparently 90% natural. Apparently Found is a clean brand. And I don't think you could be fully 100% natural because like you'd have to have your products in the fridge because they would go bad. But it contains, and I got my notes here, it contains rosehip extract and guava to nourish and moisturize your skin. Apparently it does not have any parabens, preservatives, ureas, or formaldehyde releasers. Mineral oil, gluten, silicones, and it is also free of synthetic dyes. It is cruelty free. Apparently it's finely milled. So let's try it out. And for blush, I'm going to go in with this Wet n Wild, and it is Nude Society. This one retails for $2.99 and you get 6 grams of products. It is buildable and it is enriched with jojoba oil for a silky finish. I'm going to go in with another blush brush, see how that looks. Ooh. And for highlighter, I have this one from Hard Candy. So this is the Hard Candy Just Glow Luminizing Stick, and the color is Rose Quartz. It retails for $6 and you get 9.5 grams of product. Contains shea butter. So I'm gonna just put that with my finger here. I like the creamy highlighter too. That looks pretty. Yeah, I don't see a lot of impact. I like the glowy, but I think it's because it's creamy. I can just see it here. I guess it's kind of like just a natural glow. It doesn't, definitely you won't get a high. If you like strong highlights, this is not for you. Let's go in with our eyeshadow base. And this is the Color Tattoo 24-hour eyeshadow in Urbanite. It's matte. And apparently it is crease resistant, fade resistant, and waterproof, which is nice during the summer. I'm going to play it with usually my little kabuki brush that I use with my MAC painterly pot, and see how it looks all over the lid. Just thought it would be nice to put it down as a base before the eyeshadow. Especially if it doesn't crease, that is really nice, and it's waterproof. It looks like you could definitely use this by itself. I just realized I didn't do my eyebrows, so I'm going in with the CoverGirl. It is 710 in soft brown. Brush my brows like that, kind of brush them up. follow the natural line. I do have a new brow gel from Found as well, and it's called the Taming Brow Gel. Eyebrow gel to kind of set everything in place. For the eyeshadow, I'm going in with this L'Oreal Paradise Enchanted, and this is what it looks like. You've got 12 shades, and there's 6 are matte, 6 are shimmers, which is really nice. It does smell like strawberries or cherries. I think that this is a scented palette apparently, which I don't know how I like it, because you know, some people don't like perfume in their products because it can, you know, especially if you have sensitive skin like I do, it can kind of irritate your eyelids. So I don't know, just if you have sensitivity to perfumes in your products, then I would not go with this one. I do like that in the back it gives you like a little tutorial of how to do different eye looks, so that's really nice. And this eyeshadow palette has 4.5 stars on their website, and it retails for $15. I'm just gonna go in with that kind of neutral light brown and go over the base that we put on. I'm going to take a smaller, little round brush and apply like a darker, it's kind of a darker caramel color. It does have pigment to it, I will say that. And kind of put that here on the corner of the eye to blend out the shadows on the edge. I'm going to go into like really light pink right here, kind of blend everything out. Just kind of go along the edge. And then for shimmer, I'm just going to go into like this champagne color right here and use my finger. Then I'm going to go into this kind of a deeper coppery for the outside of the eye. I mean, you can use a wet brush too, but your finger has those oils and it's warm and applies the shimmers really nicely. Alright, so the shimmers are really pretty. I really like this eyeshadow palette. I was going to do a black eyeliner, but I think with this, a really nice light brown would work just perfectly. I'm just going to take a angled brush. This one's from Scott Barnes, and kind of do a little bit of a flick. And I dipped it into that brown, dark brown. For now, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. Lash It Loud. This one retails for $6, and apparently you get 0.24 ounces for a product in there. Apparently it amplifies, defines, and adds dimension. So we shall see. Let's check it out. So I think it's a really nice mascara. I like that it's, I like the brush because it does really nicely comb your lashes and separates them. So this is the wand. So it does really comb through your lashes really nicely. For lips, I don't have a lip liner, so I'm going to grab one of my old ones. So for lips, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Age Perfect Luminous Hydrating Lipstick. I had to read that because, yes, it is long. And this one retails for $10.99, and you get 0.13 ounces. And I got the color 208 in Subtle Primrose. So this is what it looks like. And it's got 4.5 stars on their website. It looks like a really nice lipstick, so let's try it out. It's a very creamy formula, so this probably will come off really fast. So I was going to use lip gloss, but I don't think I need any lip gloss because it will probably make my lipstick slide off. Now I am going to finish off with my Infallible setting spray. This is called the Makeup Extender, and it is by L'Oreal. Apparently L'Oreal seems to be the theme of the day. And this one retails for $6.99, and you get 3.4 fluid ounces. It prevents your makeup from cracking, fading, or running. So hopefully that's true. I know all the Infallible stuff is really good. So this is the look. This is freshly applied makeup. I will be posting a picture next of what it looks like. I think I will probably wear it about 4 to 6 hours. So I'll post a picture and see what it looks like at the end of the day. And that way you guys can see how good these products are. So if you like this video and like the new way I kind of presented the products, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up.
Hi guys. So I'm back with my check-in. Only this time I'm using my phone, so I apologize if it's a little bit shaky. But I didn't want to take my makeup off before showing you guys what the results were at the end of the day. As you can see, I still have some of the blush and the bronzer. The eyeshadow lasted really well, but the mascara is definitely not waterproof or anything. I mean, it will run, as you can see down here. Look at that. Got a little bit of the raccoon eyes going. I didn't see my concealer. My concealer really didn't settle into my fine lines. I mean, I don't think, I really can't tell with the black under there, but I don't see, you know, any heavy creasing. So I think the concealer is not bad. I mean, I guess everybody's skin is different, but I also, like I said, I made sure that I put plenty of eye cream on before, so your under eye should be very hydrated before you put, especially if you're going to use a full coverage concealer. So this is what it looks like. Of course, the lipstick is long gone, but the eyebrow kind of gone over here. This one's still good. It's because I was laying in bed. I took a little nap. All right, well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you like these check-ins of how the makeup ends up looking at the end of the day. If you like that, let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.